In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this banana typography in Canva step by step. If you don't have Canva account, I'll drop the link in the description box. You can try the pro features for 30 days, and if you like it, just keep using it. This design is for YouTube, so I'll use the YouTube element, so I'll click on it, and you can copy your image and paste it here by hitting Ctrl V on Windows and Command V on Apple computers. Now on your left, click on upload. This is where all your uploads will come, but in this case I have it here already. If not, you can click upload files and just go into your system. So I'll just click here to drop it, and I'll flip it because I want it the other way around, and I'll push it all the way up and drag it to the corner, actually to the corner. But for some reason I feel like this is too big, so I will just keep it a little bit like this and center. I'll keep it like this because the other one is too big. All right, so next go to apps, click on apps and Typecraft, click on it. And by the way, this app is part of the pro feature. That's why I said you can try Canva for 30 days free, but if you are using the pro version, then you don't need to worry, right? Because this app is not free. All right, so next, inside the text box, I'll highlight and change the text to the name of the fruit or the product or whatever you're working on. So in this case, I'll type banana and always use caps or capital letters. And the font, I like using Anton regular, is better. You can use any of the fonts, but I like this one. So once it's checked right here, then you go back because it's checked already, and as you can tell, that is selected. And the color, change it to white, so push it all the way up, or if you have a color code, just type it. And as you can tell, this is it. So this is what we're gonna work on, and this will take much of your time, and you have to be patient because if you don't get this right, your design wouldn't be perfect. So what I'll do, I'll just lift this up and drag this down. All right, so you just have to look at the shape of the banana to design, but later on you can go in and work it out, but I will show you in a minute. So like this, and click add element to design, and I'll push it down here. Now as you can tell, the BA is not down and the NA down here, and even the top, so we have to work it out. So on your left, just drag it down a bit, little down, and right here on the right side too, you have to push it down and click update element. All right, so you have to keep it like that going. You have to, like I said, be patient when you get to this, and I'll drag right here a little bit and update is coming to a play. And as you can tell, BA under the A, we have to push it down a bit and update. You just have to keep updating it. So I'll drag it a little bit, update, and the top, update. All right, and this side, update, and the corner, update. Drag the corner one more time, update, and I'll drag the B, top of the B, update. So this you have to keep working on. I know this is time consuming, but most designers, they don't tell you this, and they will show you as if they did everything at just one click. No, spend time designing to make it perfect, right? So let me and at the point, you can even move this a little bit up. You can click inside and push it up a bit if you feel like doing so. So now, as you can tell, it's perfect on the edges. Now I'm done with this. All right, so this is page 1. So hover inside and click on the menu, which is the 3 dots, and duplicate page. All right, so now we are in page 2. So what we're gonna do next, this is the text, but this is the banana, so we're gonna click inside the banana box and delete. All right, so don't worry, the text is there. See, it's still there, but you can't see it because the color of the font is white. So now we need to go up because we need to find element, which is the shape. All right, so scroll all the way up. I know this, you have to be patient. Click on element, and I need this box. If not, you can type here box and just do your thing. So you can drag and drop it here, and I'll change the background to black because black is easy to detect, so or to work with, and drag it all the way to it hits this box. And even this way you can also push it a bit, but don't worry, and push this all the way down to hit the box as well down here. If you want, you can just lift this a little bit up, but it's not really a big deal. Now, so you can click more menu here. click outside the box and click inside the black box again, right click, layer, and send backward. See? All right, so what we're gonna do next, I will give you the title and I'll download it, and we're gonna use this banner or image inside page 1. All right, so just be patient. I'll type typography and I will say banana, just so I know what I'm dealing with. Then share, download, and I have to make sure, because now I have 2 pages, I need to select the page. So click on the arrow and check off the all and click page 2, because that's the only one we want to print. So done and download. If not, it's gonna create a mess. All right, so now it's done. We're gonna go inside the page 1, and so so this is a banana, but before we drag it here, we need to delete the banana text. So click on it and delete, and click on the image we just upload and go all the way up, push it up and drag all the way down here to hit. Good. All right, so go to remove background, and this is why you have to be on the pro version, because without you cannot do what I'm doing. And you can try it for 30 days. Click on it. Good. And scroll down, and under effects click on dual tone. So click on it. You can use any of these elements, but I prefer cherry. Change the highlight color to white. So if you have the color code, you can drop it or just push this all the way to the color you want. And the shadows, we're gonna push it to all the way to white. All right, so click outside the box, and now drag this to the right all the way to the B and click outside. So you can tell there's a little white in there, and you need to close that gap just a little bit. Now that white is gone, and I'll go on click inside again and go on the right and drag it all the way to left, and make sure you're gonna hit so there's no white. There's a little white, so move it back and push it. I like to move it back because that way you know what you are doing. I move it back first before I bring it along. All right, so now this is it. All right, and most of the time they let the initials on the edges, like the B on the left and the A on the right, would look slim, but that's fine. All right, so next on the list is to drop the shadow. So I will go to element again and type shadow, enter. All right, so you can use any of the shadows. Click under graphics. All right, let's say, let me use this because it has a little bit of a color underneath, and we're gonna reduce the size all the way down here. All right, something like this, or I can delete it and try this one instead, and I'll reduce the shape face and reduce one more time and drop it right here in the middle. All right, so this is good. All right, so now this is the image, but I'll show you how to animate it. All right, so to do so, click inside the white canvas and press and hold the shift key. Don't let go yet. Hover and click on the banana. Don't let go. Click on the text and also the shape, the shadow. Now let go. Then click group and click animate, and I will select breathe. Now, if you don't want to add animation, that's fine. I'll preview. See, this is so cool. All right, so to download, I'll go up here and do some SEO for search engine optimization. So I'll say typography design in Canva tutorial. All right, and then click share, download. If you want animation, then download mp4, but at the end try and cut when the banana ends, because if not, the design at the back, the black image, will pop. So you can cut it right from there. I'll show you quickly. But if you want the image, just click on it and select JPEG or PNG, which PNG is the best. All right, and you switch it, and when you switch and you click preview, see, it's still there. All right, now then when you get here, you just have to cut it. Okay, I'll show you. Then pause. So it's just 3 seconds, something like that, or 4 seconds up to here. Then you just cut your video. So the rest from here will be garbage, because if not, see, when I play, this is just the pre-typo, the typo image that we use. So as you can tell, I turned the image into animation, so you can use it in 2 ways. All right, so like I said, I'll drop the link in the description box. Please don't forget to sign up and try it for 30 days. All right, If you find value in this video, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.